Hello guys, welcome to Auto Shop. I will send you a video today. Product use SK Tool 3.0. Used to add keys to SCU. Suzuki. When you lose all the keys, first we will need to prepare a Suzuki key. Next we will need to read the keyid code in the SCU. Hey Ra. I read it here and I wrote it down. We'll connect the SCU to the smart key cable. We'll then connect to the SK Tool 3.0 device. Here we take note the switch to Yamaha mode because Yamaha and Suzuki are the same SCU. Next, I'll power it up. Here, this key I'm going to leave open. It will be a quick flash. If you're off, if you hold this button, you'll switch mode. From fast flashing to slow flashing, or from slow flashing or to fast flashing. Here, I'm setting it to flash mode. We should note that we should SCU and key close together to avoid interference. Next, we'll hit the wake up switch once. Then press hold. When the LED smart key is flashing, we release it and press on. We'll do that 3 times. The 3rd time, the smartphone light will last longer. Let's enter the code here. Wait for the LED smart key to flash once. We're going to enter the first code, code 7, and press 7 times. Code 7 next. LED smart key. 2 times is to enter the code. 2 is a one-click code. Code 3. It's code 4. I'll press 4 times. If successful, the LED smart key light up and the light will shine. Then we'll hold the wake-up switch. When the light on the key is flashing, then we'll press once and we're done. Now we can check by pressing Find Car. The lights are on here. Just to be sure, I'll hit the wake-up switch. Now the solenoid valve's lit up. That means we can start the car. Then the key worked. Thank you for watching the video. Hi, see you later.